So we're at the Boulder City dry lake bed just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're actually doing a showcase on the Conquest that we just built. And this guy decides to get a little camera action by doing some shit like this. Let's talk about this thing, because Tommy, this is our homie Tommy. Tommy is a freaking rowdy clown. So bad, I don't even know what this is. I know it's supposed to be a Can-Am, but this is not a normal Can-Am. I mean, for one, that's a giant turbo feeding a baby turbo, or a baby or giant turbo eating a. I don't even know. It's crazy.
She's a short course buggy. She's built from ground up. She's 1754 with me in her with an empty tank. We're running Ibex's compound turbo kit with Ibex clutching. On the drag tune, she's 500 horsepower to the wheels. On the play tune she's on right now is 415 to the wheels.
What kind of? Well, everybody want to know what kind of PSI is that?
So for the 415 tune, she's on 40 PSI on the big girl.
40 PSI on a 3-cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Can-Am.
Yep.
900
cc.
See? Rowdy. That's crazy. So the crazy thing is people would look at it and say it's a Can-Am, but if you really look at it, like, none of this is Can-Am. I think you just got some Can-Am plastics.
Right.
What exactly is original Can-Am?
So these bottom section of bars right here, from this bar to that bar, is all stock and OEM up to the shock tower. Everything else is us. We built it from ground up for short course. Everything sheet metal, fuel tanks, and the floorboard of where the passenger seat used to be, radiator where the passenger used to be, kind of counterbalance me.
That is sick. And you got a party stick in there, don't you?
I do.
Is that a party stick?
That's a party stick. Oh. She's a good time. We
got to see the party stick happen. Like, all right, Tommy. So you mentioned you did drag stuff with it too, or you have a drag tune. What kind of 0 to 60 are we talking on it?
So with the power range, we should be in about a 2.5 second.
0 to 60.
0 to 60.
Yeah, that's definitely not a normal Can-Am by any stretch. And we've seen it play around in Mexico. Was it Mexico City last night that we saw you playing around in?
Always in Mexico.
Wes, roll that clip. It's actually really, really rowdy. And with that being said, I think it's time to see what it does out here in this beautiful. I mean, we got all this, right? We got all this. Let the pony free. Let her free. Let her free. And have fun. So you guys enjoy this. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to all the good things, and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and all. We'll see you on the next one. Jesus, that thing's fast.